So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how to put a speed limit on your actual car. So basically what you've got to do is just go to settings. So wait a moment, you got to go to settings. In settings, you see here it says speed limit assist. So basically you click it. With each new speed limit, limiting about your speed appears, the maximum speed can be limited. So basically you click it and then you just turn it up or downwards. And then if you wanna, once you've clicked it, you click the speed limit and it will automatically set up, okay? It's very easy to do, and especially for those of you who just go on the actual Autobahn and really do see that you go way too fast. That's just a way of limiting it. Now also remember that if you go downwards back and you see, back here, and you go to the actual speed, you can also here select a warning and it will tell you a warning at whichever speed you want, okay? So I think this is really useful and that's why we did a video on it, okay? So as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel because it really helps the YouTube algorithm, and remember it's just in menu, settings, and you go to speed limit and speed limit assist, okay? So if you've got any questions, thank you very much for watching, and leave it down here in the comments below.